In Puerto Rico, Adventists have created a space where everyone is welcome. CentroCEF is an urban center of influence that was started to help people prioritize community, education, and family. Students and faculty from Antillean Adventist University offer programs that promote healthy living.
We are here in the community near our center. We are conducting a survey about what the surrounding population needs, how we can impact them, and help them in different ways. We're giving them flyers about the services we offer. We pray with the person, talk to them, see how they are, and have a good interaction with them.
They have met people's needs with activities like conducting health fairs, giving clothing to those who need it, and praying with people. At the UCI, children come to be tutored in subjects like English, Spanish, and math.
We also have a school for parents where we learn about emotions, what good emotional intelligence is, and how to develop and practice it with their child.
At the end of the center's first semester, families and volunteers enjoyed an end-of-year holiday program. During a large celebration with food and music, the children showcased their artwork and the staff handed out special gifts to community members. But as 2020 progressed, CentroCEF had to find new ways to operate. They experimented with hosting a podcast to discuss a variety of topics and promote the center's services.
During the pandemic, the services needed to be adapted a little. But we continued by doing online workshops for parents and art workshops for the kids. We also created a WhatsApp group where we send daily educational videos.
Hello, my name is Jalis Bosques. I'm part of the art group. I like it because I learn many things.
Estamos muy contentos con esos servicios que estamos recibiendo.
We are really happy with the service we receive. It's been a big help to learn in the area of art, and it's been beneficial to my children, who have been quarantining and social distancing. We can't go out much, but these workshops are helping a lot because the kids benefit, learn, and enjoy.
This online shift allowed the volunteers to stay connected with people, even when they can't be together physically. They have developed an online group for women to interact and support each other.
It helped me a lot. Many times we need support and others won't listen. And in my case, I have been living completely alone for 3 years. It's not easy.
CentroCEF has done amazing things to impact this community in Puerto Rico. This quarter, a portion of your 13th Sabbath offering will help the efforts of this urban center of influence.
We will continue working for the community, for the family, and for kids' education. We have other activities planned and things to do to impact everyone here. We hope to serve as a blessing for each of them in the midst of these difficult times.
Thank you for supporting projects like this through the 13th Sabbath offering.